You're not allowed to do this anymore. It bothers me. Yeah. Joey's like, okay, that's good reason. I'll stop. Thanks. It bothers me because it's weak style. Take a look at your paper right now. I know we have about 5 minutes left. Time for one more lesson. Take a look at your paper. Do you see in brackets some structure that looks like this? An example is, another example is, an example of this occurs when, an example is presented, something that looks like that with brackets and a little asterisk next to it? Who's got one? Nice. Brianna, I'm going to jump on my keyboard over there because my wireless is out of batteries. I'd give you the wireless, but over at my desk, type your sentence for me, please. The one that you just referred to. That's fine. So Brianna will give you the example. I'll tell you why it is flawed, and I will help her fix it. And then we'll see if we can fix some other examples. This is going on the list on the website as a common writing error. It's over there up in the corner. Do not open a sentence with an example is. And you will lose points if you use this structure. Good. One example would be the paper bag that Lily found in her attic. Brianna, it's an example of what? Tell us more. What are you talking about in your essay?
Mine was the objects.
Objects. Objects as important signifiers of meaning, right? Okay. So an example of kid using objects as important signifiers of meaning is this bag. That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. I talk fast, I know. How could I rephrase this?
Paper bag that Lily found in her attic resembles.
Yuck. Oh, I know where you were going with that, Clay. You noted that you used the word is, and you tried to backtrack, and you substituted an even worse verb. Let me expand on what was just going through Clay's mind. Let's backtrack for a moment. Brianna's sentence. What is the subject of the sentence? No, you wish it were the bag. It should be the bag. It's actually not the bag. Sorry? No. Example. The grammatical subject, the most important noun grammatically in this sentence, is example. And then when you were answering me, oh, the bag. No, the bag is the most important noun, but it's not in the subject position. This is bad style. What's the verb? That's a helping verb. Would be. Be is the weakest verb in the English language. So look at what you got. You have a sentence that has an almost empty noun and the weakest verb in the English language. This is poor style. Brianna's important information is placed in the predicate position and a bunch of other clauses and phrases that are not in the primary position. Her primary position, the spotlight of the sentence, is example would be. All of you who are doing this are following the same structure. Your noun is something like example. Your verb is something like is. The paper that Lily had found in her attic. To be continued right at that point tomorrow. Yes.